This is the Linux box. So in this video, we'll install the Vim editor, launch the terminal, click on the terminal icon. First things first, check if Vim is already installed on the Linux box. So Vim ---- version. So the output says the command Vim is not found. So you can install Vim using the apt install command. So sudo apt install Vim. Enter the root password. Do you want to continue? Yes. Here we go. This will install the Vim editor on the Linux box.